Okay, for this question, we are going to figure out this limit, and the way that we are going to do it is we'll actually use a table of values to see what the limit is going to be, alright? So notice that how we have x is approaching 4. Therefore, let's go ahead and set our table, and let me just put down the x value right here. And of course, the expression that we are dealing with is ln x minus ln 4 all over x minus 4. And let me just pick several points for you guys right here. So let's say we'll do a table of 7 values. And let me just put the 4 right in the middle. And you will see that when x is exactly equal to 4, when we put it down right here, you see that we have the 0 on the bottom. That's automatically no good. So when x is equal to 4, this expression is undefined. However, this does not mean the limit right here doesn't exist. Well, what we have to do is, okay, let's just start with from the right-hand side. Let's say we have 4.01, right? And then I'm going to get even closer and closer to 4, but not exactly equal to 4, because otherwise it will be undefined. And then I will just put down, let's say we do 4.001 and 4.0001. And then from the other side, I will just put down 3.9999, and then 3.999, and then 3.99, like this. As you can see, this right here, it's getting closer and closer to 4 from the positive direction because it's slightly bigger than 4, right? And this is slightly less than 4. Alright, so now you can just use your calculator, plug in the values, and you can use a graphing calculator the way I showed you guys in class. And I'm just going to write down the values that I have on the screen for you guys. So for this right here, we get 0.249688, right? And then for the next one, we get 0.249968. And of course, I'm just going to write down the first few digits. I'm not even rounding. I'm just going to write down the first 6 digits so you guys can kind of see if there's anything that's going on that. And when x is 4.0001, we actually end up with 0.249996. And again, I'm not rounding, so I'll just cut it off right here, and there are a lot of more numbers. Notice that all these numbers are approaching what? Very close to 0.25, isn't it? And yes, they are approaching 0.25. And if you go from the other direction, let's start from this right here, we actually have 0.250313, like so. And then we have 0.250031. And again, I'm just writing down the first 6 digits after the decimal point. And then lastly, here we have 0.250003 and all that. Therefore, you can see that the answer to this right here, it will be 0.25, namely 1 over 4. Right? So that's it. That's how you can use a calculator, especially with a table of values, to get the limit of certain functions.